Good morning. I know y'all know what this means. It is breakfast time. What's my favorite breakfast? Fried potatoes. Yeah, I am gonna fix me some fried potatoes this morning. I stopped at Walmart yesterday and I only bought, I think 3 pork chops. One little package of pork chops that I'm gonna cook in the air fryer. Oh, you know what? I just remembered I have leftover Mexican food from yesterday. Well, maybe I will have fried potatoes. I was going to fix a chile relleno burrito with my leftovers, and I forgot I had it. So, let's rethink this, because I really want it for breakfast. So I think I'm going to just fix me some fried potatoes to go along in my chile relleno burrito. That sounds good. Since I started this already and didn't think, I was looking so forward to that yesterday. I was like, oh, I know what I'm having for breakfast. Chile relleno burrito. But we can still do that. And I got a little refried beans left I'll put in there too. Anyway, back to my Walmart order. Well, I didn't do a pickup order. I went in and I bought just one small package of, I put up my laundry. Traveling, I did laundry and then I just put it in there and then hit the road. So I need to do a little cleaning house in the next few days too, putting up laundry. Still back to the Walmart story. Let me get that out of the way because all I bought was pork chops, a little salad packet, and some bananas. So I'm going to cook that. And not today, because I went several days ago out to eat and I have some leftover fish from that. So I'll probably have that leftover fish today. We'll see. I'm going to try to bring y'all along for everything I'm cooking, basically out of my, no groceries other than the pork chops. Alright, let's get these fried up. And I can save these too for in the morning. I don't have any eggs. Coconut oil. And then I'm going to put in the potatoes. I don't have any onion either, so... Oh, I guess I could put some minced onion in there, but I'll do that towards the end. Minced onion. Well, these might be alright, but the date on them says February 10th. So I've had these a while. Today's what, the 15th of March, so I don't know. I might just eat the chile relleno without the tortilla. Yeah. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't smell bad, but I don't know. What would y'all do? Would you eat it or not? So I did want to mention that I've had questions about how am I liking this cold carbon steel pan versus my cast iron. One thing I've noticed that I'm having to get used to is this is much thinner, and so I have to cook it on a lower temperature. Like right now I have it on between 2 and 3, I guess, because it gets really hot and start smoking. So I'm still learning how to use it, but just wanted to mention that. And basically it's a thinner metal, so it gets hot faster and stays hot. So you got to regulate your heat based on that. And I'm so used to cast iron, I kind of know what temperature to set my gas stove on when I cook different things. So it's not smoking now, but it was. So I thought I would just kind of address that. Learning cooking with a new pan. There's my chile relleno from lunch yesterday. I just took one bite of it and I ate the whole enchilada. I ate the whole enchilada, but not that. So I brought that home for breakfast. And I covered it up so to kind of steam it a little bit. So we'll see how that works. See what we got. Oh yeah. Got a little refried beans in there too. I call that done. Put that on the plate. Yum. Got the refried beans a little crispy. They're refried, fried, and refried, fried. But they're alright. Potatoes. And chile relleno. Yeah, that looks good. Yum.